AI and BYI doesn't write your book for you. It writes with you and proofreads for you, and you always decide. The assistant sees your characters, world, and plot. It suggests, but nothing changes until you press apply. Four modes in one menu: chatbot, ghostwriter, editor, and graphic studio. You pick one for the task at hand. The chatbot is the free entrance, 10 messages a day on the free plan, enough to try the AI and see how it works with your book. The heavy modes draw from a monthly pool, the counter is always in view. One AI credit is roughly 1,000 tokens, and every button wears its price, 5 credits per check. Images are counted separately, 1 image credit, 1 image. 95 right now. Pricing without surprises, from $4 a month. Author at 12 gives 400 messages, 40 images, and DOCX export. Now the main thing. We ask the ghostwriter, create a character, and add his relationship to Seda right away. The AI never touches your book silently. Proposal 1 of 2, a new character, every field filled in. Apply or discard, you decide. Proposal 2 of 2, the relationship, Myron is Seda's rival. We apply this one too. Checking, Myron is already in the character list, a real record, not just text in a chat. Open the profile, description, personality, motive, and the relationships section already shows the link to Seda. And a new note appeared on the relationship map. One request and the whole structure of the book updated. Next, the portrait. Open the tags, style, light, framing. You choose and press done. Add an appearance description. The portrait is built from the character's profile plus your tags and description. One click and Myron's portrait is ready. It cost exactly 1 image credit. Add to profile and the avatar is on the character card. And on the relationship map. The image counter, 95 before, 94 after. Right-click inside the text, the writer's menu, book, chapter, scene, character, relationship, world note, event, plot thread, trackers, glossary. World note, 9 categories, locations, factions, lore, technology, magic. A tiny form, 2 fields. We save the sluice tier and keep writing, the thought isn't lost. Checking, the note sits in World Notes, under Locations. Nothing was lost. Same for a timeline event, title, moment in time, type and description. And there it is on the timeline. Created from the text found in the system. The second menu works on selection. Select a phrase, right-click a sticky note or a color highlight, like the margins of a manuscript. We write a note to ourselves, am I revealing the reason too early? The doubt stays at the line, not in your head. The sticky holds onto the line, a marker in the text, click and the note unfolds. Edit or delete, the prose itself is untouched. And a color highlight marks the line right in the text, yellow, green, red. Key passages visible at a glance. The third tool, a footnote, a note to self right inside the text. We write down the question we must not forget. Click the asterisk and the note opens right by the word, edit or delete. Now the editing. We write a draft with real mistakes, say to walk, the keys was, the water were rising. Grammar catches all 5 and shows every fix, before, after, with an explanation. 5 credits per check. Apply corrections and the scene text is already clean. Now prose quality. We deliberately write filler, identical sentence openings, clichés, filter words. QAQC doesn't flatter, 24 out of 100, 9 findings, repetition, clichés, filler. Each with a quote and a suggested fix. We revised the scene by the findings, concrete detail instead of clichés, varied sentence openings. Run it again, 90 out of 100. From 24 to 90. The scale is real, it measures, it doesn't praise. Now the economics. An editor costs from 60,000 rubles to $6,000 a month. BYI with grammar and QAQC from $12. It won't replace a human editor, but your draft reaches them already clean. AI writes with you and proofreads for you, and the book stays yours. Start at byi.skynet.com.